Welcome to the Gyan Academy Ansys Workbench Tutorial Series. Today's topic is Structural Analysis of a Wall Bracket. Open the Workbench system. Ansys window will get opened. Here you have options to do the different kind of analysis. Go to the view, reset workset, unit and set unit to the metric tons. Come to the static structural analysis. The window will get opened. It takes few seconds. Go to the engineering data to set the technical value of the materials, technical data related to materials. By default it is a structural steel. Check the values. Basically you will get yield strength, E values and other things. Other material you can also choose based on the requirement. Then come to the geometry. You can make the geometry here also, or if geometry is already made you can directly import. In our case we have a geometry of the bracket, so we will browse and get the geometry into Ansys environment. So Ansys software got the geometry, then click on the model. So the Ansys modeler will get opened. This is the Ansys modeler. Here you can see the model is imported. This is a bracket. It has a bracket stroke and it has a wall mount plate. The cross section of this bracket is approximately 40 mm square. Go to the mesh, select the sizing, select the body, then put the size. Normally 2 to 5 mm size is given. Here we have selected 2 mm size. Go to the mesh, generate the mesh. It may take few seconds to generate the mesh. We have chosen the fine mesh, so the mesh system is appeared here. You can see here the main rod body and straight body is here. Then put the constraints. So since this bracket is going to be mounted over the wall, so select the all bolting holes as a fixed support, since it will be fixed through the bolt on the wall on these holes only. Select all the holes. For selection you can have the option of surface, point and edge. So select the surface, then by pressing the control you can select more options also. Now you can see the fixed support is selected, so one constraint is given. Now you can give the second constraint, that is the load. Assume this bracket will carry a pipe and it will support a pipe in a piping system, so put the force on the straight rod portion. Select the top surface. For that you have to select the face option. Select the entire top surface, assuming that pipe will touch to the entire surface. Once the application surface is selected, put the force value. Here we have selected 500 Newton. So write the 500 Newton in the magnitude domain box. Now the force value is selected. The next activity is to set the force direction. So for that direction apply, you will get two options, forward and backward. So since the load is from top side, so we have taken the backward direction. Once it is selected, click on the apply. Now you can see here bracket has fixed support is assigned, force is also assigned. Now go to the solution, select the deformation total and directional. Now go to the stress, select the equivalent state deformations. Other solution options can also be taken, like maximum principal stress. Then for strain, you can also select the equivalent and maximum strain, whatever you want. Then now you can see the constraint is defined and the solution whatever you want, that is also selected. Go for the solve. The solver may take few seconds to solve based on your system capability. Now you can see all options got a green tick mark, that means the solution is done. You can see here the total deformation, equivalent stress, maximum principal stress values, as well as the pattern is also given. You can see here by pressing the worksheet option, you will have the list of result in summary, by which you can assess how much value is where. On the figure also it is given, but it is better to have a summarized value. There is another option available in Ansys Workbench 18.1 report preview, by which you can see what are the reports generated. It is basically input, output and summary of the result. So this is the basic method to carry out the structural analysis using work. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.